Writing a book is not as easy as it looks. I know because I wrote 10 books in 8 years before I sold my first one. And if you are struggling to write your first chapter or just struggling to finish the book you're working on right now, then this channel is for you, because I have tried and failed and tried and succeeded and learned a lot in that journey. Before I sold my first book, I amassed a box of rejections. And at a certain point, it got so bad, I actually quit writing, which I talk about in this video here. I've also been in a position where I didn't have any support at home, no friends or family that were saying you can do it. Thankfully, I ended up going back to writing again and had an amazing career. More than 8 million copies sold worldwide. I would have never had any of that if I hadn't learned from people that shared the information that they have. I want to save you 10 books in 8 years and teach you how to do it faster than I learned. There are a lot of writing instructors out there, and some definitely have the experience and know what they're talking about. Some not so much. Frankly, if you want to get to the NBA, you don't want to be listening to somebody that only played high school basketball. You want somebody that has been there, somebody who has real hard knocks experience that's going to share that information with you, which is exactly what I do in this channel. I talk about plotting and characters and setting and writer's block and every aspect of writing a really compelling novel so you can become an amazing author. I'm here to share all that knowledge and to also be your cheerleader, to be the one that says you can do it, you can write this book, and you can achieve that dream.